Hi everyone, Jerry Warner here from AI Tech Publishing, and I'm thrilled to share some exciting news. After months of design, writing, testing, and polishing, Wanda the Friendly Widow is officially published and available on Amazon. This book started out as a fun idea, a creative experiment to see just how far AI tools could take a children's book project. And today, she's a real book, one you can hold in your hands or read on your favorite device. Wanda is a not-so-scary black widow spider who wants to make friends in her garden. It's a gentle story about kindness, confidence, and friendship, told through bright, charming illustrations created with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL, then refined in Canva and Photoshop. It's perfect for readers, parents, and grandparents who love warm, positive stories. And yes, almost half the book is a Wanda coloring book. What makes Wanda the Friendly Widow special is how it was made. Almost every part of the journey used AI. The story draft and characters begin right here in ChatGPT. Artwork was generated in DALL E3, then polished in Photoshop. Every page layout was built in Canva Pro. And finally, Amazon turned it into both print and ebook editions. It's proof that you don't need a big team, just creativity, persistence, and the right AI tools. I learned a lot through this process, and these lessons will help anyone starting their first AI publishing project. Number 1, start simple. Get your first draft done quickly, then refine it later. Number 2, expect technical hiccups. Canva sizing, bleed lines, color profiles matter more than you think. Number 3, document everything. Your notes will become gold when you make your next book or course. And yes, these lessons are turning into a new blog series right here on AI Tech Publishing, so you can follow along step by step and skip the mistakes I made. But Wanda's story doesn't stop here. I'm working on a behind-the-scenes blog and video series that shows exactly how this book came together, from concept to finished product. If you ever wanted to write or illustrate your own AI-powered children's book, those tutorials are on their way soon. You can grab your copy of Wanda the Friendly Widow right now. I've linked it below in the description. Visit AITechPublishing.com to read a full story of how this book was created. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI and publishing tutorials and updates. If you enjoy seeing what AI can help you create, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps support future projects like Wanda. Thanks again for watching, and thank you to everyone who's followed along ever since page 1. I'm Jerry Warner with AI Tech Publishing. Keep creating and let AI help bring your stories to life.